Hey, to connect new Sony Ult Wear headphones with any Android phone or tablet, first of all you have to grab your headphones and you have to be sure that they are turned off. So when you click on this button or this button, they don't make any sound and this indicator will not blink. Now you have to just click and hold this power button and wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly. So we have to just wait. Now we have to release. As you can see, it's blinking quickly 2 times, and after a few moments it disappears and repeat. Now we are in the pairing mode, so what we have to do is just to grab our phone, go into the settings. Now you have to go into the build settings, so in my case it appears in the connected devices. I have to click to pair new device, and from the available devices we have to select Ult Wear. This is actually the short name of our Sony headphones. We have to click pair. And now when we are connected, we can download the Sony headphones application that will actually unlock more features of these headphones. So we have to open the Google Play Store on your device. Then click on that start, on the search, and input Sony phrase. And after this, you will get this recommendation, the Sony Headphones Connect application. So this is the app that we have to actually download. So click on the install button. And now you just have to wait for this downloading process. It will go really fast. There we go, it's almost finished. Now we just have to open it. And first of all, we have to accept this contents and click agree, click start. Now click agree and proceed, tap to agree and start using. Click OK and accept this Bluetooth permission. Now, as you can see, we are connected, so we have to click OK. And now we can sign in to get access to all of the headphones connection, but you don't have to do this actually. You can do this later. I'm gonna set without restoring. Click next. This is the adaptive sound control, but I'm not using it, and also you can enable it later. So just skip all of this setup. You don't have to worry about this because you can also set it up later. But if you want to quickly be connected, just skip. And now there's like a lot of notifications. But as you can see, now we are successfully connected. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel.